Hi friends, today I'm going to talk how to use BIP report in Oracle VBCS as a data source for the table. Table will show all the records that is there in the BIP report, and we can do table related operations on that. Here you can see in the application, this is a table, and this table is based on the BIP report. We don't have all APIs, all the required APIs in CX products. So sometimes we need to create a BIP report, and we can use that BIP report in our VBCS. For example, audit log. Audit log API is not there. If you want to check SR audit trail, audit log, so that API is not there. So we can create a BIP report, and we can use that BIP report as a data source for our OJ table. So here you can see this is SR, and it is showing SR related change history audit trail in OJ table. So we have created a BIP report that supports CSV format. Then we'll call the REST API, and we'll get the response in the base 64. Then we have to convert the base 64 to CSV using a top JavaScript method. Then we'll convert the CSV to the array of object, and then assign it to the VBCS ADP variable, and we'll use that ADP variable in our OJ table. So these are the steps that we have to follow. I will show you in the application how to do it. Before that, I will try to show you in the Postman. We are going to use WSDL for BIP report in the Postman. And when we'll hit, we have to provide the body, SOAP messages, and it will return base 64. Here you can see. When you'll convert this base 64, it will be a CSV. But when we are calling WSDL using API as API, then we have to pass some header parameter. Here you can see I have passed content type application SOAP that XML and SOAP action post. So these two parameters in header is required when you are calling a BIP report in Postman or in VBCS. So in VBCS also will create a connection. In VBCS, we'll create a connection for this URL. We'll invoke the post method and provide the SOAP message as a body. We'll set the header, connection type, and SOAP action, and we'll receive the base 64. Once we'll receive the base 64 by using JavaScript method, we'll convert it to the CSV, and then we'll convert CSV to the array of object using JavaScript, and we'll assign back it to the ADP variable. And OJ table will use ADP variable as a data source. So now let's go to the Oracle VBCS application. This is my VBCS application. I have created a connection WSDL that is here, this one. So I've created a connection, and it will invoke a post method. So I'll go to the post method, and in the request header, I have added both header variable that I have added here, content type and SOAP action. So we have to pass the body, and we'll get a response like this. Now I'll go to my main page. So here I've created a VB action chain. It will be triggered on VB inter. So here you can see I am invoking this API, this WSDL API, and I pass the body parameters. So we'll receive this base 64 string. Now I'm converting that base 64 string using JavaScript. So I'll go to the code, and here you can see whatever I've received, I'm parsing it to the CSV content, because here you can see this is XML and the data is on the report byte level. So here I'm extracting the CSV content that is base64 string, and using atop, I am converting back it to the string. Atop is a JavaScript function. Atop method is for encoding, decoding the data from base64 to string. And so in this method, I'm parsing the data, text, content, and all. I've given the expression, and it will return me CSV content strings, this data in this variable. So by using jQuery, you can also write logic to extract this node, report byte node. Now, suppose my CSV is like this: column 1, column 2, column 3, and data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose this CSV content is like this. Now I will create array of lines. So this is first line, this is second line, this is third line. So I'm splitting it with the /n. So this line will be array of line. So it will convert this as like this. So now line is like this because I have split the content with new line, and now line is a array of line. Now header, so line, first line, the line 0 is header. So I'm again splitting it with the comma. So now header is a array, and it will have value like this. So this, so header variable is a array of headers. Now I'm looping through each record. I'm going through each record and creating object. Creating object. So after creation of object, my output will be like object equal to array, and it will be like array of object, and each array will have value column 1 a1, column 2 2, same way column 1 is 4, the second line, column 2 5. So now my CSV, first I've converted it to the array of line, and then I've converted it to the object, and we can easily assign this object to the ADP. So this function will return the object, this object. So data.data, ADP.data, whatever I'm getting from after the parsing, the array of object. So this data will contain, will have ADP data. And now in my table, I have given data, same ADP data. And these are the columns. I've added a columns here because I've hard coded the columns here because I know the header, whatever is there in the CSV. So I parse it and I've created this header. So here you can see BIP. I'm able to show BIP data in a OJ table. You will face this problem because many CX application don't have all the API. So you simply create a BIP report as a CSV and show it in VBCS. You can comment me. If you like this video, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you have any problem, then you can comment. I will try to solve. I will try to reply it. Thank you.